End of Time. In the gripping saga of End of Time, we are catapulted into a series of harrowing scenarios, each presenting a unique and terrifying vision of the apocalypse. This dramatic portrayal not only captivates the imagination, but also embeds its frightful scenarios in solid scientific plausibility. The film guides us through catastrophic events that could unravel the very fabric of society, making us confront our vulnerabilities and the fragility of the world we inhabit. The Mega-Tsunami. Imagine a serene day in bustling New York City, suddenly transformed into a scene of horror as a gargantuan wave, dwarfing even the Statue of Liberty, sweeps across the metropolis. This paints a vivid picture of a mega-tsunami, unleashed by an immense undersea landslide. The relentless tide overwhelms the city's towering skyscrapers, which crumble under its force. This cataclysmic wave engulfs streets, swallows landmarks whole, and leaves a haunting image of human helplessness against nature's raw fury. This emphasizes the sheer unpredictability and overwhelming power of natural disasters, challenging the viewer to consider the limits of human engineering against the forces of nature. Meteor Strike. Imagine a clear sky over Berlin abruptly cleaved by the descent of a fiery meteor, its impact releasing the energy of thousands of atomic explosions. The strike causes immediate and catastrophic destruction, obliterating buildings, igniting widespread fires, and polluting the air with deadly toxins. This highlights the capriciousness of extraterrestrial threats and underscores our planet's vulnerability to the whims of the cosmos. It stirs a profound awareness of how cosmic events can abruptly end our existence, illustrating the indiscriminate nature of such disasters that could strike any part of our world without warning. Supervolcano. Deep beneath the scenic vistas of Yellowstone, a supervolcano brews with the power to alter the global climate. When it erupts, it ejects monumental amounts of ash that shroud the sun and cast the earth into a prolonged volcanic winter. This catastrophic event decimates global agriculture, leads to plummeting temperatures, and envelops the world in darkness, pushing humanity to the brink of extinction. This delves deep into the interconnectedness of Earth's climatic systems and the dramatic effects that a single geological event can have on global stability. It challenges the audience to consider the long-term implications of such a profound climatic shift, emphasizing the delicate balance required to sustain life on Earth. Pandemic. This event presents a chillingly realistic portrayal of a global pandemic sweeping through populations with merciless speed. As the infectious disease spreads, it overwhelms medical systems, dismantles economies, and erodes social structures. Panic and chaos become as virulent as the virus itself, illustrating the thin veneer of order that maintains societal norms. The narrative probes the depth of human resilience and adaptability in the face of a relentless biological foe that knows no borders, challenging our readiness and response strategies to such invisible threats. The neutron star. In a narrative that stretches the bounds of imagination, a neutron star, invisible yet devastating, is on a collision course with Earth. This portrays the planet's final moments as gravitational forces begin to disassemble its very essence. The ground shakes violently, oceans are vaporized, and the atmosphere tears apart. This not only portrays the dramatic and unstoppable force of cosmic phenomena, but also serves as a somber reflection on the ephemeral nature of all celestial bodies, including our planet. It prompts a profound contemplation of the universe's vast scale and the random events that could abruptly conclude life as we know it. End of Time serves as a compelling and thought-provoking exploration of the extremes of human vulnerability and the power of nature and the cosmos. It invites viewers to reflect on our place within the universe and our preparedness for potential global cataclysms. Through these expanded and dramatized narratives, the film underscores the importance of understanding and respecting the formidable forces that govern our existence.